when you are looking to purchase a home, it's super important that you have a local competitive advantage. What does that mean? Well, it very simply means that you are working with people on the professional side of your transaction who know the local area. This is your lender, your real estate agent, the appraiser. Gosh, the appraiser is so important. If you work with some big box bank or online lender, one of the things you're most likely not going to get is a local appraiser who understands the local market. And if you have an appraisal that comes in low just because some out-of-town appraiser came in and your appraisal came in $15,000, $20,000, $30,000 short, that could mean the difference of your deal working out or not. Super important. Real estate agent, lender, appraiser, insurance agent, title company. You want a local team on your side when buying or selling real estate. So hey, if you've got questions about this, reach out. Would love to have a conversation with you. Shoot me a DM and would love to help you connect with a team that's going to give you a local competitive advantage.